Hi, good evening. In this session, I am going to discuss the biochemical definitions of the aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and fermentation. Are the biochemical differences we are going to discuss. So, coming to the aerobic respiration, we know aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and fermentation, and we have different definitions too. Coming to the accurate definitions and the biochemical definitions of them, the first one, aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, glucose is converted to pyruvic acid in the glycolysis. Later, that is converted to acetyl coenzyme A in the connecting link reaction. And finally, the acetyl coenzyme A is converted to carbon dioxide. We know that there, during this process, some here and there in various steps like glycolysis and connecting link reaction, even in the Krebs cycle, NADH2, FADH2 are formed. NAD plus, FAD plus, that are the coenzymes that are reduced. So, reduced coenzymes NADH2, FADH2 are formed. What is the source of electrons for the reduction of these coenzymes is the question. For instance, if you take the glycolysis, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is the source of electrons for the reduction of coenzyme. There, from the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates, electrons are removed in the form of hydrogen and the same is added to the NAD+. There, it gets reduced to NADH2. Like that, you take any step, everywhere where coenzyme is reduced, electrons are coming from organic compounds. It may be malic acid, or it may be oxalosuccinic acid, or it may be pyruvic acid in the case of connecting link reaction, or it may be glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate in the case of glycolysis. So, electrons are coming from organic compounds to these coenzymes and they get reduced into NADH2 or FADH2, which we call them as reduced coenzymes. If you take the aerobic respiration, that NADH2, FADH2 which are produced during the either connecting link reaction or glycolysis or even the Krebs cycle, they enter into electron transport system where they get oxidized. So in electron transport system, they lose their electrons, NADH2, FADH2. These electrons are transported through various intermediate electron carriers and finally the electrons are transferred to the, say, oxygen. So here electrons are transferred from organic compound to an external component, oxygen. Oxygen is an external component. So in the aerobic respiration, electrons are transferred from organic compounds like that malic acid or glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or the oxalosuccinic acid or the pyruvic acid. From them, electrons are transferred to finally oxygen. So that is called aerobic respiration. Transfer of electrons from organic compound to external component which is nothing but oxygen is called aerobic respiration. So that is I have written here. Electrons are transferred from organic to external component which is oxygen. If electrons are transferred from organic to external component, that too particularly oxygen, such metabolic pathway is said to be aerobic respiration. Coming to the anaerobic respiration. Here in anaerobic respiration, electrons are transferred from organic to external component other than the oxygen. That is the rule. If it is oxygen, that will be aerobic respiration itself. So here, electrons are transferred from organic to external component which is other than the oxygen like nitrates, nitrites, nitrogen, like that. Let us see. In anaerobic respiration, we come across through only glycolysis. In glycolysis, NADH2 formed, where at glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, it undergoes oxidation resulting in the formation of NADH2. So electrons, they come from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which is organic. Now that electrons finally transfer to whom? Nitrates. See here, NADH2. It received electrons from organic compound like glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and now the electrons are transferred to inorganic one. Which ones? Nitrates. It is the external component, not the internal component. Electrons are transferred from organic, that glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, to external component other than the oxygen, that is nitrates. Like this, if in respiration electrons were transferred from organic compound to inorganic compound, that too which is an external component, is called as anaerobic respiration. So that is the definition. So coming to the fermentation. So what it is fermentation? What is the definition? Here in the fermentation also glycolysis is present. In that NADH2 formed, there glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate undergo dehydrogenation or oxidation resulting in the formation of 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid, and as a byproduct NADH2 resulted. Means this NADH2 received electrons, NAD plus receives electrons from that glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and gets reduced to NADH2. Now in the fermentation, that NADH2 donates the electrons or transfer the electrons to pyruvic acid. So if you take this alcoholic fermentation, that will be acetaldehyde. The NADH2 donates its electrons to acetaldehyde, so that acetaldehyde get reduced to ethyl alcohol. So this is organic compound. Electrons are received from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. That is also organic compound. So here electrons are transferred from organic compound to organic compound. So that is why it is called fermentation. Fermentation is the process in which electrons are transferred from organic compound to organic compound. In the case of alcoholic fermentation, that is. Coming to the even lactic acid fermentation, there also NADH2, which is formed in glycolysis at that step, same glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid. Now the NADH2 transfers electrons to pyruvic acid, and pyruvic acid get reduced to lactic acid under influence of lactic dehydrogenase. So pyruvic acid is an organic compound, and it received electrons from that glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which is also organic compound. In this case also electrons are transferred from organic to organic. That is why it is fermentation. So coming to the biochemical definitions of this, first I will take aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the process in which electrons are transferred from organic to an external component, which is nothing but oxygen, as I have mentioned here. Coming to the anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is a process in which electrons are transferred from organic compound to external component, which is inorganic and other than the oxygen. That. And coming to the fermentation, electrons are transferred from organic to organic. There from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to either acetaldehyde or pyruvic acid. If electrons are transferred from organic to organic, such process is said to be fermentation.